What is maintenance and why is it important? Maintenance. Maintenance involves all actions taken to ensure that assets continue to operate at their designed or acceptable capacity levels. It includes both preventing failures through proactive upkeep and restoring functionality after failures through repairs. Importance of maintenance. The primary goal is capacity assurance, maximizing asset output while minimizing unplanned downtime. Proper maintenance practices reduce the frequency and severity of failures, minimize downtime and repair costs, enhance safety, operational efficiency, and product quality, extend the useful life of assets. Maintenance is increasingly recognized at the executive and strategic levels as a critical contributor to overall business performance and competitiveness. Key terms and definitions. Anything that holds value for an organization, such as equipment, machinery, systems, or infrastructure, and is essential for operations and service delivery. CMMS EAM, Computerized Maintenance Management System, Enterprise Asset Management. Software systems that manage maintenance activities, track asset history, manage work orders, and oversee inventory and spare parts to improve maintenance efficiency and reliability. CHASTAR FMEA, Failure Modes and Effects Analysis. A structured approach for identifying all potential failure modes of a system, their causes, and their effects, allowing organizations to prioritize and mitigate risks proactively. Prescriptive maintenance. An advanced maintenance approach that uses data analytics, machine learning, and predictive insights to recommend specific actions before failures occur, optimizing asset performance and minimizing downtime. Reliability. The probability that an asset will perform its intended function without failure for a specified period under stated operating conditions, ensuring consistent and dependable operations. Maintenance classification. Classification A categorizes maintenance into two broad types. Preventive maintenance, PM, activities performed to prevent failures before they occur. Corrective maintenance, CM, activities performed to correct issues after failures have happened. Classification B further categorizes maintenance into specific methods. PM, preventive maintenance, scheduled maintenance activities to prevent breakdowns. CBM, condition-based maintenance, maintenance triggered by asset condition monitoring. OBM, operator-based maintenance, routine inspections and minor maintenance tasks performed by operators. CM, corrective maintenance, repairs and restorations after a failure is detected. Breakdowns, complete failures requiring urgent repair. C groups maintenance activities based on strategic approach. Proactive strategies focus on preventing failures, e.g. PM, CBM, OBM. Reactive strategies focus on fixing issues after they occur, e.g. breakdown repairs, emergency CM. Overall goal: minimize reactive maintenance by maximizing preventive, condition-based, and operator-involved maintenance efforts, thereby improving reliability, reducing downtime, and controlling maintenance costs. Maintenance Management System, CMMS. A CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System, is used to track assets, manage maintenance schedules, generate and route work orders, control inventory, and produce performance and compliance reports. Functions: planning and scheduling maintenance activities, managing preventive maintenance, PM, and condition-based maintenance, CBM programs, routing and tracking work orders from creation to completion, analyzing maintenance data to drive continuous improvement and informed decision-making. Benefits: improved operational efficiency through better planning and resource management, access to historical maintenance data for better decision-making and forecasting, reduced asset downtime, optimized maintenance costs, and extended asset life. Types: standalone CMMS, dedicated software focused specifically on maintenance management. Integrated EAM, enterprise asset management systems, broader systems that include maintenance management along with other enterprise functions like finance, HR, and supply chain. Failure reasons: poor system selection that does not align with organizational needs. Lack of user training leading to underutilization and data errors. unclear goals, and lack of management support, causing ineffective implementation and abandonment. Maintenance quality. Human errors and failures. Over 70% of equipment failures are attributed to human errors, such as performing incorrect repairs, improper installation, or misalignment during maintenance activities. Common quality issues. Mistakes made during installation, leading to improper setup and early failures. Accidental damage inflicted on equipment during repair processes. Use of defective or incorrect parts during maintenance, compromising reliability. Solutions for improving maintenance quality. Providing continuous technical and procedural training to maintenance staff. Developing and enforcing clear, standardized maintenance procedures. Involving maintenance teams in processes like failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, and root cause analysis, RCA, to build ownership and awareness. Maintaining clear and accurate documentation for all maintenance activities to ensure consistency and traceability. Maintenance assessment and improvement. Key metrics. PM/CBM effectiveness. For every 1 hour spent on PM or CBM, maintenance should identify between 0.5 to 2 hours of corrective maintenance needs. Schedule compliance. Target at least 90% of scheduled work completed as planned. Percentage of proactive work. More than 50% of maintenance activities should be proactive, planned and preventive rather than reactive. Other metrics. Track mean time between failures, MTBF, mean time to repair, MTTR, and maintenance backlog levels to monitor asset and maintenance performance. Optimization. Apply structured improvement methods such as reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, and Six Sigma to refine and improve maintenance tasks and schedules. Maintain a focus on execution quality by emphasizing effective planning, accurate scheduling, and consistent feedback loops to drive continuous improvement.